Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and our today's video topic is break and continue statement in Java. So uh, first of all we will see what is break and continue statement in Java. So basically break and continue statement in Java are the uh, jump statement. Basically states statements are these statements are used to uh, skip some statements inside the loop, or basically to loop if terminate the loop immediately without checking. So the test expression, the statements can be used inside any loop, such as for loop, while loop, do while loop, etc. So let us move on to what is break statement. So basically the break statement in Java is used to loop terminate from the loop immediately. When a break statement is encountered inside the loop, at that time the loop immediately get terminated and our code moves on. So the next the next keyword is continue keyword. So basically what is continue keyword? Continue keyword is uh, similar to the break statement, but there is a bit difference. The continue statement in Java is basically used to skip the current iteration of the loop. It is used to skip the current iteration of the loop. We can use this continue keyword in any type of loop, such as for loop, while loop, do while loop, etc. So in this way, break uh, the break statement and the continue statement both are basically used to terminate the loop, but the break statement is used to immediately break the loop, and the continue statement is used to terminate the current iteration of the loop. So this is all about break and continue statement in Java. Thank you.